Meanwhile, the storm system that hit California this week and is blamed for at least 3 deaths there is expected to ease, but the state isn't out of the woods yet. Parts of Southern California remain at risk for flooding. First responders spent Christmas rescuing people, shutting down parts of the freeway to lift people to safety. Authorities told residents in one mountain town to get ready to evacuate due to the risk of mudslides.
Wrightwood is an incredible community, whether it's floods or fires or now this, they really pull together and they're out helping each other.
The region typically gets ½ inch to 1 inch of rain this time of year, but the National Weather Service says many areas could see 4 to 8 inches, calling it Southern California's wettest Christmas holiday in modern history.